everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will be talking about how to buy your own house. I stand here in front of my own house. My boyfriend and I bought a house in 2019. If you want to buy a house or if you want to invest your money, I think buying a house is the same as investing money in obligations and so on. This investing in my house is a long-term investment because every single month I used to pay a rent to a foreigner. I don't know who he is, I don't know where the money was going, I had to transfer amount of money every single month. When you buy a house, you will often take a loan, and the loan is on probably 1 million or maybe a half million. I don't know what the price is in your country, but here in Denmark we can buy a house for around 500,000. The secrets behind buying a house in a very young age is savings. Savings. And education doesn't mean that you have to go to the university, or you can search very much information at the internet. It isn't hard to find some information on the internet, so you just have to find a lot of information in a niche that you like. If you don't have the money, you take a loan. And I had some of the money, but the rest I have to loan. I made a loan, and then every single month or every single quarter I pay a specific amount of money to the loan. I see it as my own savings in the house, because when I go and sell the house in the future, I can actually sell this house for the same price as I bought, and then I have to pay back my loan. But if I have paid some of the loan back, then I will get some money in my hands when I have paid the rest of the loan. So all these years I have been paid to the rent or the loan. I will get the money in the last end. Or maybe I will get the money to buy a new house, another place. So I think this is a very rental investment to buy a house. It is no secret that buying a house requires a lot of money. You know, every single day I go out, buy some stuff in the stores or groceries. Every time I does that thing, I always think about, is this necessary? It is very important that you think about what you are spending your money on. So the point is, if you want to buy something that worthy your money, then you have to invest them and get something that you want. An investment in obligations or the financial markets are very risky. A house, then I have to pay my rent every single quarter or month, but it's still an investment for me. So if you want to invest your money, then do that. Invest in things. One of the things you can invest in is a house. I have thought about using house hacking as income, because this house is very big and my boyfriend and I are only using half a quarter or something of the house, and then we could rent out the last part of the house, and then we can make some money to pay the rent. In the last end we will get some more money out in the end when we sell the house. So yeah, I hope it makes sense, but at least I mean that you have to buy something that makes you happy. My mission is to explain for you how you can use your money the best way. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it makes sense to you. At least I had something in my heart I want to get out with, and that was my mission. So yeah.